Hi, I'm Janice, and I'm the designer who decorated the feature home here at the GTA Home Reno show. It was built by Bonneville. The interesting thing about it is it's built off-site and then modularly brought back in to the site and put together. It was such a great project to work on because there was so much natural inspiration to it. It allowed me to take advantage of using all of the trends that are currently important in 2019. Texture, color, mixed metals, soft fabrications next to, crispier ones, softer finishes against something that's reflective. It was a real honor to be able to work with them, and I'm really, really pleased with the end result. Follow me and I'll take you on a tour. This is one of my favorite spots in the home. It's the beautiful entryway, wonderful, wonderful tile, flanked by wood flooring on either side. But I love this little bench here. In here you can see we've got leather, we've got hand knotted jute, we've got linen, we've got hand embroidery, and a beautiful cotton throw. So here we are in the master bedroom. We've really captured that feeling. It's almost like a cottage feel in here with the type of bed that we used. And here we are in the spare bedroom, equally as cozy, but you can notice that the bed is a little bit more rustic and it is a little bit more warm in color nature. The bathroom is fabulous. All of the inspiration came from both the tile and from the countertop. Love the beautiful blush color that's so important right now, so this artwork really spoke to me. From that we chose our towel colors, and you can see it blends beautifully with the tiles in the shower. And now we walk into the essence of the entire home. This is the main living space, the open concept kitchen and living room. Everything's very artful. We tried to get as many one-of-a-kind pieces as possible and really played on the textures of each one of them. And for me, the outside is as important as the inside. And one of my favorite spots is this beautiful pass-through, and everybody has taken the opportunity to have a seat here. After the cooking is done, I don't know about you, but I'd want to be sitting in that chair or maybe in the hot tub.